want to create AI images for free, realistic looking AI images for free, so here it is Leonardo.ai. It used to offer a free AI image. You can design your logos, YouTube video logos, any image if you want. Just write text prompt. You can also edit images by uploading it there. So follow me till the last to know each and every step how to use Leonardo.ai. All go to any browser and type Leonardo.ai. Leon. So here the first link comes here. The first thing you have to click on here. And after going on this website, you have to click on get started. And after get started, you should click on sign up. And for sign up, for example, you want to provide your email ID first. Email ID and password, just click on sign up. You have to verify the code which is sent on your email account. So this was the code, I have written it here. Then click on confirm account. You will get that this type of page. You can select anything. For example, I don't want him to send me emails regarding news, so I won't click on it. And after that, you can select anything from here. Like for example, I am selecting it for film TV. Next, I'm a other anything you can choose. Role of interest, movie, anything. Accept and then click on accept terms and condition. And after that, if you want to generate images, for example, just click on the image generation. But you'll a quick tour of image. If you want to take a tour how you will design it, you can go and take a tour, but I already know, I'm telling you, so you don't have to go on a tour with him. So click on finish. Slide, type a prompt here. For example, I want to create a logo for my video, YouTube video, how to generate a passive income. So I will write how to generate a passive income in a month of dollar 4,000. So after writing a prompt, you can simply click on the generate option. It will require 24 credits of free means, like or you can select the dimension from here. For example, I want for YouTube video are generally of 16 by 9 ratio. I will select 16 by 9 ratio. You can select number of images you want. I want only 2 images, 3 images. Like for example, I want only 2 images. I will click on 2. Or here you can see the prices if you want to upgrade it. For example, 150 tokens are given daily basis with one craft to those who real time 200 real time canvas and action to 200 real time generation action. And if you want to generate more than 8,500 for monthly and for free, you can also use free means you are getting 150 tokens daily, so you're not required to upgrade it. If you want, you can upgrade it. And after that, you can simply click on generate. You can also select it from here, like for example auto prompt you want, or you want to design something present style how you want 3D vocal cinematic creative dynamic, anything you can choose it from here which you want, realistic, sketch, stack photo, vibrant, pro color, anything. Then you want medium, low, high. For example, you want high, something like. And here you can see the logo which he has made it. For example, I love this one or this one or this one. You can simply click on this and you can even download it from here only. Just click on this option and yeah, it is saved. So I will show you in my gallery. So here it is. So this is the logo which is made it from AI, but it doesn't even look like that I have made it from AI. Means it looks you have designed. You can use it for freelancing, something like this. You can generate free images from here, and you can even download it for YouTube videos, for any content creation, for anything. If you want to make a school project, college project, something like you want to generate images, you can generate. For example, you can see these images. These images looks good. This one is the perfect one, I think.